Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This tutorial is not only applicable to 2026 Mercedes-Benz models, but actually any Mercedes-Benz that has the MBUX or Mercedes-Benz User Experience. And just to let you see how easy this is to deal with and what you can ask, I'm going to do this. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
What can I ask you to do?
I can help you operate different functions easily and intuitively. You can see some examples here. Give it a try. If you don't know how to do more, you can say, "Help," at any time, and I can explain what you can do.
And the thing about that is that you can also ask for directions, say, give me directions to wherever it is you may be going, if you've been there before, or if you just want to give the address, whatever it is. Yeah, I know this sounds like a strange example, but say, give me directions to home, something like that. Depending on how far away you may be from home, you might need directions to get to a certain point. That might help out. But there's a lot of things. You can ask how far you can drive on the gas you have remaining in your gas tank, whatever it is. Pretty much anything and everything. Makes it very easy, a very simple system to use. I think that Mercedes-Benz does a great job with this technology. If there's another tutorial on any Mercedes-Benz model that you would like to see me do, tell me down in the comments section and I will make that happen. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.